Oh my gosh. There was ice. Ça va? Oui, merci. Oui, ça va, merci. C'est tout bon. C'est tout bon. C'est le glaçon. Ouais. So this is the damage. Indicator is broken. Oh, my fairing. That is not good. Cracked. And this broke off. Don't know if it's even rideable. So I crashed from here. Looks like this is where I hit the ground. Oh my gosh, yeah, this is all ice. Crash from here. Crash from here all the way down. Oh my gosh. But I'm fine though. I'm not wearing any gears. I'm fine. The handlebar is so, yeah, it's so fucked. Look at that. Jeez, what piece is this? That's not good. I don't have money to fix this, man. This is gonna be expensive. This is gonna be expensive too, man. Shit. Oh my gosh, look at that. Man, I'm pissed. Look at the front indicator. It's messed up. Look at this. This thing is cracked open. Oh, I found it. Holy shit. It flew all the way here. Damn. Man went flying. I have a really big problem. This screw here snapped off. So I can't get this thing out. Did they not salt the road or something? They didn't salt babe the road.